Today is a very special day. Today I'm gonna do my first haircut on someone. The person is right here. Super excited to do my very first haircut. He said he will be fine even if I ruin it. I'm pretty confident it won't be too bad. I have full faith in myself. Stay with me, watch till the end. Let's see together how I did it. And let me know how you guys think I did. As a first timer, please consider some mistakes. It won't be perfect. We pretty much got everything we need for the haircut: the comb, scissor, clippers, trimmer, everything. I always wondered how people cut men's hair because it seemed very tricky. So today's the day I would finally discover how to do it and if I can do it just like anyone else. At this point, I was trying to figure out where to start from. He was giving me instructions because he knows and he does haircut on other people. So he will be instructing me time to time and I will just follow his instruction and just wait for the final result. So starting with I forgot the number, with a clipper for the trimmer. So we start from one side and start trimming the edges. Here I'm trying to learn how to attach it to the trimmer. Here. As you can see here, he took over the trimmer and started doing his own haircut. No, I'm just kidding. He was just showing me how to do the fade perfectly. At this point, I was done with my first stage of trimming. There is still so much left to do, like blending and cutting the top. The blending to me is the hardest part to do perfectly. Even men in salons cannot do it nicely. It's a matter of practice, so I was trying to do as much nicely as I could. From today, I realized how hard workers hairstylists are. It really takes a lot of patience and hard work and practice to bring out that perfect haircut. It was fun cutting the top hair with the scissor. As you can hear the sound of me cutting the hair, it's really satisfying.
Six, like no, six is short.
Six also short?
No, try seven. Seven or second. No, it looks big, but okay. To cashew, to hair probably.
To here, okay.
To do it all around.
If you go to the bottom, if you want, like, really cool. And then put over the feathers, cool. I think I know. I was 6 down. 6. And dark one.
चलो
Not bad, huh? Ended up doing a different style. As you can see, the haircut is done. It exceeded my expectation. Looks really very professional. He likes it too. I'm happy. You guys tell me how I did it. That's all for today. Watch me in my next video.